Welcome back to Studio 5. Ditch the store-bought sweets this year. According to my next guest, nothing says you're someone special like a homemade Valentine surprise. Maegan Brown joining me through the screen to share 2 Valentine treat recipes that are made with love. Maegan, I have to say congratulations. You're the first one bringing the hearts through the screen to kick off Valentine's 2023. What 2 recipes are we making today?
Oh, we are going to make some Cupid's pancake kebabs and some Valentine snack mix. Lots of X's and O's in it.
Let's start at the top. Breakfast kebabs, Cupid kebabs. How do we pull those off?
Cute. They're so cute. They're so easy. I like to use these little mini pancakes. You can certainly use regular pancakes, and you can make or buy them either way, but you need just a heart-shaped cookie cutter.
Okay.
I use about a 1-inch heart-shaped cookie cutter, cut my little pancakes into hearts, and then I cut strawberries into hearts as well, which is super easy. You just slice 1 strawberry in half, then cut a V in the top of it to remove the stem, and ta-da, you have a little heart-shaped strawberry. Once you do that, grab your little skewer, and you'll start putting blueberries on it. So we've got to get a little balanced breakfast here. I'm going to skewer some blueberries on, then put a mini heart-shaped pancake on, and then a heart-shaped strawberry, and another pancake, and 3 more strawberries. And when you're done, you get these cute little heart-shaped Cupid's pancake kebabs that you can serve for breakfast alongside some syrup, or just eat them as they are. They're super cute for a party or just a special Valentine's breakfast with the family.
They're adorable. I've got a really hyped up 3-year-old who gets so excited every time she can identify a pattern. So cute pattern, blueberry, 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 pancake, strawberry, pancake. You get it. It goes on. Where are you getting those cute little silver dollar pancakes? Did you make those?
No, I do have a recipe for these on bakermama.com, but I bought these at the grocery store. You can find them at most major grocery stores in the freezer aisle, and I just let them defrost and pop them in the microwave for a few seconds to warm them up, and they are perfect. Actually, our kids eat them as is. They're slightly sweetened, so they really don't even need syrup, but I serve it alongside syrup just in case.
Sure, doesn't get any easier than that. Cute, simple idea for a mom or grandma to pull off this season. All right, next on our treat menu, you've got an XOXO snack mix. It looks like one of those addictive mixes I will love, hate to love to hate. Whatever it is, you're not going to stop reaching for it.
Yes, it is something you'll obsess over. It's delicious. It's Chex Mix, Berry Berry Cheerios, salty pretzels that are shaped like X's and O's, all combined with candy coating in a bowl. And then I spread it out on a sheet pan and immediately sprinkle with some sprinkles, which I've already done. And then I will top it with some Valentine's M&Ms. I like to use the regular and the peanut for extra crunch and just variety. Of course, you can make it your own. I'll add some more pretzels in there for that sweet and salty combo that is so addictive.
Where are you getting the XO pretzels? You've got to spill your secret source.
I mean, most major grocery stores have them. You can get them online.
Oh.
I find most of them at Target, Kroger, Albertsons, all of them have. So.
Okay, good to know. And I saw XO cookies there too. Same deal?
Yes. Oh my goodness. These are a must. So you include these, and they just make for such cute little snack mix to have on the counter or to gift to teachers, friends, for Valentine's Day. So once it's all set, I just crumble it up. I keep a jar on our counter at all times throughout the season with a fun little snack mix for us to munch on. Of course, you could bag it up and gift it as well. Yeah,
it's cute to look at, delicious to eat. And the sprinkles are just like the confetti on top. Do you add those before or after the candy coating?
Right after the candy coating, you mix it all together, lay it out on your sheet pan, and immediately sprinkle it so it sticks in there. And when you break it into little clumps, it is nice and coated in those beautiful sprinkles.
All right, Miss Maegan, thank you so much for inspiring us in all of the sweet and sugary ways. Where can we get more recipes and ideas from you?
Absolutely. You can go to thebakermama.com where all my recipes and inspiration is housed, as well as follow me at The Baker Mama on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can find me a little bit of everywhere, and I love to inspire, especially around the holidays.
I love how you do it. Love seeing what you share. Thanks so much for putting the good stuff out there. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.